Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and sound at your places, obeying your parents and following online classes regularly. Children, have you ever heard about Akbar and Birbal stories? I'm sure you must have heard about it from your parents, must have watched it on television, or must have read about them in some or the other storybooks. It's very interesting to know that in this chapter today we'll be studying about Akbar and Birbal. Birbal was a very intelligent man in Akbar's court, and Akbar was a king. So we'll be studying about how Birbal will identify a thief. Let's start chapter number 2. Birbal identifies the thief. Children, please hold a pencil, and whichever words I will tell you, please underline them. Those will be important terms. In the 16th century, Birbal was an advisor in the court of Mughal Emperor Akbar. The emperor had many talented scholars. Please underline the first word, advisor. Please underline the word advisor in the first line. Musicians and artists in his court. Out of these, the 9 most talented and learned men were known as Navratnas, or the 9 gems. Birbal, whose real name was Mahesh Das, was one of the Navratna and was admired for his intelligence and wit. Read the story to find out how he caught a thief using his intelligence. See children, in the 16th, what does this story mean? What does this paragraph means? In the 16th century, long time ago, Birbal was an advisor in the court of Mughal emperor. Advisor means a person who gives advice. कोई इंसान जो राय देता है. He is known as an advisor. Birbal was an advisor in the court of Mughal emperor. Court of Mughal emperor जो एक पूरा राज्य होता है. किंग अकबर का एक पूरा राज्य था जिसमें बीरबल वॉज एन एडवाइजर. ही यूज्ड टू गिव एडवाइसेस. वो अपनी राय देता था. He had, now that emperor had many talented scholars, musicians, lot of people in his court. बहुत सारे लोग थे वहां पर, लेकिन सबसे important उनमें बीरबल था. Out of these, the 9 most talented and learned men were known as the Navratnas or 9 gems. उस पूरे कोर्ट में जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट 9 लोग थे उन्हें नवरत्ना कहा जाता था, और द 9 gems. Birbal, whose real name was Mahesh Das, was one of the Navratna and was admired. Please underline this word. Admired means किसी की समझदारी, किसी की इंटेलिजेंस को देखना कि वाओ ही इज वेरी इंटेलिजेंस, एंड उनसे एडवाइस लेना, उनसे पूछना. For his intelligence and wit. Wit means samajhdari. Read the story to find out how he caught a thief using his intelligence. You can see. Now this man comes, and this is King Akbar, and he asks, "What is the matter, Vikramveer? Why do you look so worried? आप इतने परेशान क्यों हैं? Why do you look so worried?" Jahapana. What does this word Jahapana means, children? Whenever in the kingdom's court, जब भी किसी राजा का राज्य चलता है and वहाँ पर many people are there, then you always call the king as Jahapana. आप उन्हें हमेशा जहाँपना कहकर बुलाते हैं. All the valuables in my house were stolen by a thief last night. Now he was very upset, he was very worried, and said that all the valuables in my house were stolen by a thief last night. They were stolen by a thief, and I don't know who has stolen it. How is that possible? You live in the safest area in the kingdom. Now this is King Akbar, and he says that how is this possible that all your valuables and jewelry are stolen? ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है कि आपकी ज्वेलरी खो गई हो, स्टोल हो गई हो, स्टोलन हो गई हो, चुरा ली गई हो? Why? Because you live in the safest area. आप सबसे सेफ एरिया में रहते हैं. बीरबल, नाउ ही पॉइंट्स इट आउट टू बीरबल. अब वो बीरबल की तरफ देखते हैं एंड बोलते हैं, बीरबल ओनली यू कैन सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम एंड कैच द थीफ. The theft is definitely the work of another minister in the court. No thief would dare to enter the house of a minister. Now, what does Birbal says? Birbal says that I am very sure that this theft, ये चोरी, theft means चोरी. This theft is definitely the work of another minister. Only another minister in this court only has done this, because no thief would even dare. Dare means किसी की हिम्मत भी नहीं होगी इस minister court में enter करने की. The house of a minister. Now, what solution he found out to find out a thief? Get a donkey to the court and tie it to the pillar. He decided that bring a donkey to the court and tie it to the pillar. Pillar means उसे आप pillar means जिसे हम हिंदी में खंबे कहते हैं, उसे बांध दीजिए. Tie it to the pillar. Everyone must touch the donkey's tail and say that I have not stolen. Now this was the way to find out. ये way था कि कैसे बीरबल find out करेगा who is the thief. What every minister had to do? Every minister had to touch the donkey's tail. सबको donkey की tail touch करनी थी and say that I have not stolen. I have not stolen. Jahanpana, Alim Khan is the thief. Now, after some time, when all touches the donkey's tail, Birbal says that Jahanpana, Alim Khan is the thief. Akbar is very shocked and he asks Birbal that how do you know that Alim Khan is the thief? How do you know that Alim Khan is the thief? What does Birbal replies then? Birbal smiles and said, I had applied black paint to the donkey's tail. All the ministers except Alim Khan have a black patch on their palms. Out of fear that he will be caught, Alim Khan only pretended to touch the donkey's tail. He never actually touched it. So he is the thief. And how did he find out? Birbal applied black paint to the donkey's tail. Now, all the ministers who will touch the donkey's tail, obviously उनके hand पे वो black paint लग जाएगा. But only Alim Khan was there who did not had black paint on his hand. So he was the thief. Why? Because he pretended. उसे पता था कि उसकी चोरी पकड़ी जाएगी. That is why he did not touch the donkey's tail. I hope you all liked the story, and that's all for today. We'll be catching up with the question answers and exercises in the next video. Till then, take care children. Bye.